The iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks are finally here, and honestly, they make the iPhone 17 feel completely outdated. We're talking about a groundbreaking micro-LED display, a blazing fast A20 Bionic chip on 2nm architecture, and a massive 1-inch camera sensor that could rival professional cameras. Apple seems to be preparing its biggest leap yet, and this could be the iPhone that changes everything. In this video, I'll break down the 7 insane leaks that prove why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to crush the iPhone 17 and redefine what a flagship smartphone can do. Let's dive in. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The world of smartphones never stands still, and every year Apple manages to surprise the industry with new technology, bold designs, and features that set new standards for what a phone can do. Now, with the iPhone 18 Pro Max leak starting to surface, the conversation has shifted in a way that almost makes the current iPhone 17 feel outdated before it has even had time to settle in the market. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be a revolutionary upgrade, not just an incremental step, and these early leaks suggest that Apple is preparing to launch a device that redefines the premium flagship smartphone experience. With whispers of massive display improvements, groundbreaking performance powered by the next-generation chip, upgraded camera technology, and new design changes, this phone could easily overshadow the iPhone 17 in every possible way. One of the biggest reasons the iPhone 18 Pro Max is already making headlines is the display technology. According to insiders, Apple is planning to move to a next-generation micro-LED panel, which will make the OLED display on the iPhone 17 Pro Max look dated in comparison. Micro-LED promises richer colors, higher brightness, and far longer lifespan without burn-in issues. Combine that with slimmer bezels and possibly even a notch-free design, and you're looking at the most immersive iPhone screen yet. This isn't just an incremental tweak, it's a shift that puts Apple years ahead of competitors. For users who have been waiting for a truly edge-to-edge experience without distractions, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could finally deliver the dream display that makes the iPhone 17 look like old technology. Another insane leak surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the chipset. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max already boasts the powerful A19 Pro chip, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will reportedly debut the all-new A20 Bionic processor built on a 2nm architecture. This leap is expected to bring performance and efficiency gains that will make the A19 look like yesterday's news. The jump from 3nm to 2nm will mean faster processing speeds, cooler thermals, and even better battery optimization. For gamers, professionals, and creators, this could transform the iPhone 18 Pro Max into a portable powerhouse that makes laptops unnecessary for many tasks. And when compared directly with the iPhone 17, the difference will be so dramatic that upgrading will almost feel like a necessity. The leaks don't stop there. Apple is rumored to finally be introducing a major camera system overhaul with the iPhone 18 Pro Max. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max already features impressive sensors, insiders claim that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will include a massive 1-inch main sensor, improved telephoto zoom, and upgraded low-light performance that rivals professional cameras. Computational photography is also expected to evolve with AI-driven enhancements, meaning sharper, clearer, and more natural shots in any condition.